Are you tired of making spelling mistakes in your emails? Well, I'm here to show you how to enable spelling suggestions on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your PC. Next, look for the gear icon at the top bar and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Click on See All Settings to access the settings page. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the General section and look for the spelling option. Click on it to open the spelling settings. Here you'll see an option to enable spelling suggestions. Click on the box next to Spelling Suggestions On to turn it on. After enabling spelling suggestions, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the new settings. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the changes. Click on Save to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully enabled spelling suggestions on Gmail on your PC. Now, the next time you're typing an email, Gmail will help you catch any spelling mistakes before you hit send. So go ahead and give it a try.